Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie filling. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 medium baking apples, like Granny Smith or Honeycrisp, for the best flavor and texture. For the dry mix, grab 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to thicken it up. Now, let's prepare those apples. Carefully peel, core, and slice all 6 to 8 apples into uniform 1/4 inch thick pieces. Consistency and size helps them cook evenly. A good apple peeler and corer can make this step much quicker and safer. Once sliced, transfer all the apple pieces into a large mixing bowl, ready for the next step. Next, we'll combine our dry ingredients. In a separate, smaller bowl, thoroughly whisk together the granulated sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and flour. This ensures all the spices are evenly distributed. Once mixed, pour this fragrant sugar and spice blend directly over your sliced apples in the large bowl. Gently toss everything together until each apple slice is beautifully coated. Finally, it's time to cook the filling. Transfer the apple mixture to a large saucepan and cook over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the apples begin to soften slightly. This pre-cooking step prevents a gap between the crust and filling. Let the filling cool completely before adding it to your pie crust. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.